In this video, I'm gonna explore the spiritual capital of India, Varanasi, enjoy some local food, and explore the local culture and get high on bhang. So just stay tuned and enjoy this video. I can just hear honks and dirt. Honk, dirt, honk, dirt. That's it. It's insane. If you ask my first impression, well, this is the first impression. It's so dirty. And yes, another important thing, it's a mix of culture. So one important thing I've noticed over here is this place, Banaras or Varanasi, both are actually same. It's just that it's a mix of all the cultures. So even if you read the history, it was ruled by Hindus, it was ruled by Muslims, it was ruled by Christians. It was also a Buddhism part. So I think that's the best thing about it. And yes, there are a lot of famous stuffs. I'm just gonna walk around today because it's just the first day I'm here. And yes, I'm wearing all my jacket. Everything is done, but let's see how it goes. Nobody follows the rules. There is no traffic. All I can hear is just honk, spit, and just honk, 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 honk. This is my first impression, and honestly, it's bad. I'm a little disappointed as of now, but I'm sure this has a lot of history, so I'm really excited because I'm literally staying right away from the main place, and this is I think very commercial area. So if I want to actually explore the whole place, then I have to just walk. So I'm just gonna walk around and let's see how it goes. There are some beautiful old architecture. There are nice ATMs. There's literally everything. So I'm literally living in a commercial area. I feel maybe that was one mistake which I did. And it's literally 3 kilometers from here to the main place, which is all these famous, the death cart and all that. So let's see. I'm just gonna walk as of now. I've not had a single food from morning. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna actually explore the food. I'm gonna explore a lot of things. So let's see. See, like I said, it's famous for art. So Varanasi has a lot of history, like I said earlier. And for me, honestly, it's just way too dirty as of now. I don't know why people actually spit on the roads. I wish these are the few things which actually cannot change in our country, I feel. So like, if you guys are aware that Varanasi has a lot of history. So like I said earlier, yes, it has a mix of lot of religions, but the major religion which is followed here is Hinduism. The honk is crazy. Varanasi has a lot of benefits. The reason why Hindus come here is because one of the famous Jyotirling, which is I think Kashi Vishwanath temple, is here in Varanasi. And another major reason is that people believe that if you come here and if you die here, or if you do the rituals of your death here, then you actually don't get the rebirth. It's just you get moksha very easily. So if you want to get moksha, just come to Varanasi. And for main reason for why I want to come here is because I want to enjoy the beautiful Ganga Aarti, which is really very famous, because I've seen people doing that ritual from years, and I've watched a lot of videos and read about it from my grandmom that in spite of heavy rain, cyclone, like nothing can stop that Aarti. So I don't know what is so beautiful about it, so I'll definitely go there. And another important reason why I want to come here is I want to understand like what are Aghoris like, because I've seen them I've seen them earlier, but I've never actually spoken to them. So if I get a chance, I definitely want to talk to the Aghoris. And yes, India is like literally, yes, we know Himachal Pradesh is famous for cannabis, which is Malana, but I'm sure if you're not aware, people over here believe that bhang, which is also one of the cannabis, is legal in Varanasi. And the reason why it's legal is because they believe that Lord Shiva has actually consumed it, so it's actually fair enough for them to take it. So I don't know what the logic is, but yes, that is the logic. And there's a famous type of drink over here, which is I think mixed with lassi, the bhang lassi, which I definitely want to try in spite of how much ever cold it is. So I'm definitely going to try a lot of things over here. So let's just see how the whole experience goes. I've heard the food is amazing. I want to go talk to the Aghoris. I want to understand the culture. I want to do a lot of things. Just very excited and understand what actually, if people actually get moksha or not. Like understand from the people here. If I get chance to talk, yes, definitely. But I don't see people are that friendly as of now because I haven't actually spoken to anyone as of now. But yeah. Because as of now, whatever experience was from only the auto guy who actually overcharged me. Because the Uber and Ola, nothing was accepting my ride from the train. So I really don't know how the people are. Because all I've seen them is just spitting and honking. So let's see how the experience goes. Just sit. My first food I'm trying.
नहीं गुलप्पा तो खर्च कर ले खर्च करो अरे अलग हो ना एक झोला ले ला गाड़ी से जाएगा ना बड़ा झोला था सब एक में सुन लेना प्रोग्राम सुन के नींबू चलेगा
हाँ किधर इस तरफ जाओ ना
सीधे 10 में घाट है आपको एक से घूमने उमने का सब सामान जगह बढ़िया मिलेगा ये पापड़ी है
एक और स्पून दो बेटा थैंक यू
Mystic and strong.
कल हम दोनों ने स्ट्रॉन्ग लिया था
कल आप लिया था
स्ट्रॉन्ग लिया था हमने आप नहीं
पूछ
I'm taking this side, taking shots. Take shots.
ओ यार
केरल के लिए जाने जाते हैं अरे से मिलेगा जब ये शुभाकार हो जाए आज नाम याद आ गया याद आना ऐसे आप जाते आते रहे अक्सर कहें इस बातें आप जानते योग्यता अनुभव काम करता है दुकान छोटी है बड़ी है इससे मतलब नहीं काम से मतलब है गली गली में कौन सा इंसान जाता है उतनी दूर जाए
ये स्ट्रॉन्ग है क्या
दोनों है स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट मीडियम दोनों है
क्योंकि वो अपना इतना अच्छा व्यवहार है वो कहाँ है? पार्किंग किधर है? वहाँ पे पार्किंग भी है, जगह भी दिखाई नहीं देता, लेकिन अंदर में ऐसी जगह है कि आप गाड़ी भी पार्क कर दीजिए। रेस्टोरेंट भी है, उसमें ठहरने के लिए चाय
नंबर लिखिए।
और बड़ा बड़ा तो ऐसे में वो तो आपको जाएंगे तो आप
930
आगे
799 और फिक्स 7
So this is the most strongest drink ever. If you want to try, just come to this place called Badal Thandai. And it's the second time I'm having here. Yesterday I had super strong. It was damn good, and I did feel so. Even if you want to enjoy anything, just have a bang, lassi, and just walk around. I think that's the best way you can enjoy the whole Varanasi trip. Few important things that you should actually avoid over here is the scams. Just don't fall in the scam of, getting into this trap of, oh, I'll take you on a boat ride and the price is that. No. They're actually on my way to the Ganga Aarti and have literally been asked by so many people, like, you want to go on a boat ride? And I did inquire, the cost is actually way too costly.
₹3500 लग जाए। आप ही लोग को देंगे। लाइट वाला वही है, लाइट वाला गंगा आरती 7:30 बजे बिहार वाले में 200 तक चढ़ा घुमा देंगे। आप आते ही दिखाएंगे चाय चाय
Ganga Aarti, ending with Ganga Aarti. Cheers to Gange Mata. Go, man. Go, go. This is Ganga Jal, apparently taken from that river. And that's the end. So that's it, guys. That's all about the whole Ganga Aarti, my experience, and Varanasi. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.